Incredible Origami Sculptures by Adam Tran. Adam Tran creates incredible origami sculptures. The chemistry teacher in Science High School in Vietnam's Ho Chi Minh City, but he spare his most of time to create origami sculptures. He masters origami. Tran's amazing paper art technically aren't pure origami, but he uses many of the traditional techniques of this ancient Japanese art form, as well as some other paper folding moves, which allows his pieces to have more curves and nuances, rather than just straight lines. Whatever you want to call his paper folding style, this great artist turns paper into detailed artwork. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.